Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to find your TikTok watch history. Let's start. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Here, tap on Profile from the bottom right corner. Go to Menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. You'll find the option of Command and Watch History. Tap on it. Next, go to Watch History. Here you can see your watch history of TikTok. Tap on Select from your top right corner. Then select the videos of your choice. Also, you can select All Watch History from your bottom left corner. Right next to it, you have the Delete button in order to delete your watch history. Tap on it and again select Delete. Your watch history will be deleted. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explained me how we're solving new problems every day.